Welcome to How to Start an Email List. If you're ready to start building your email list, but you aren't sure where to start, you are in the right place. When I first started my business, the first thing I learned was that I needed to start building an email list. It's great to have social media followers, but what happens if your account gets deleted or suspended, or the social media platform goes down, as we've experienced in the past? You need a way to stay in touch with your audience, and that's why having an email list is so important. But how do you start an email list? How do you get people to sign up to be on your list? Well, when I first started, I had no clue how or what to do. So I spent a lot of time Googling, searching for answers. And I don't want you to have to do that. I want to save you time, so I'm going to share with you my simple 3-step strategy to help you get started. Before I give you the steps, I want to let you know that I also created a workbook for you that includes the information that I'm going to share in this training. You can download it by clicking on the link below this video. Now for the 3 steps for starting your email list. The first step is creating your lead magnet, also known as a freebie or a list builder. The second step is to build your lead magnet funnel. And the third step is to promote your lead magnet so you can get people to join your email list. Now let's start with the first step of creating your lead magnet. Now, a lead magnet is something of value or an incentive that you offer to potential customers in exchange for their contact information. After spending time creating a number of lead magnets for myself, I realized that there were certain key decisions that I needed to make regardless of the type of lead magnet that I wanted to create. To make things easy for myself, I created a 5-step framework that I could follow. It's basically a roadmap I use over and over to create my lead magnets. And that's what I'm going to share with you now. It's called the Lead Magnet Success System. And the first step in the lead magnet success system is to decide on the topic of your lead magnet. Now, the topic you choose for your lead magnet should solve a problem that helps your ideal customer take a step closer to achieving the transformation that they want. Here are 3 tips to help you decide on the topic for your lead magnet. First, what content will solve an immediate problem that your ideal customer has and help them to take the first step? Second, what content can you give them that will prepare them to purchase your product or service? And third, what is one piece of content or part of your course that you could give away for free? The second step in the lead magnet success system is to decide on the type of lead magnet you're going to create. Based on the topic of your lead magnet, you're going to decide the best way to present your information to your ideal customer. There are many types of lead magnets you could create. I'm going to share just a few of them with you. The first is a PDF, for example, a checklist, a guide, a cheat sheet, or even a resource. Next, there are video and audio, for example, workshops, webinars, and audio recordings. There are also quizzes and assessments. You could also share a swipe file. You could also do a challenge to help your ideal customer reach a specific goal. And you can also give away a template. For example, a Canva template, email template, Facebook ad template, or even social media templates. The third step in the lead magnet success system is the tech. The first thing you want to decide on is the tech that you're going to use to create your lead magnet. The tech you need to create your lead magnet really depends on the type of lead magnet you're going to create. For example, if you're creating a PDF lead magnet, like a cheat sheet or a checklist, you can use Canva, which is a popular tool. You can also use Pages if you have a Mac, or Microsoft Word. The next tech you want to decide on is how you're going to manage your email list. Now, in order to collect, send, and manage email addresses, you need an email service provider. Now, there are a number of email service providers, and if you ask 5 people what the best one is, you're likely to get 5 different answers. So everyone has their favorite tech. My best advice to you would be to pick 2 and to try them to see how easy or difficult it is for you to use. Now, if you're using an all-in-one platform like Kajabi, it includes email, so you won't need a separate email service provider. The fourth step in the lead magnet success system is deciding on the title for your lead magnet. Now, the title of your lead magnet should immediately capture your ideal customer's attention and have them think you created it just for them. So when deciding on a title, you want to choose a name for your lead magnet that will explain in as few words as necessary what problem your lead magnet solves and how it solves it. When deciding on a title for your lead magnet, avoiding confusion is your biggest challenge. Now, I want to remind you to be clear and not clever. You want someone to read the title of your lead magnet and make them think it's just for them. The final step in the lead magnet success system is to decide on the content for your lead magnet. The content you choose for your lead magnet should provide only the information necessary for your ideal customer to achieve the desired result. When creating content, more is not always better. People don't want to spend a lot of time on something. They want quick results. So the more information you provide, meaning the longer your lead magnet, the less likely people are to use it. And the whole reason you're creating the lead magnet is to give your ideal customer a quick win, so they want to come back to you for more. You want to make sure you format your content in a way that is easy for your ideal customer to consume, understand, and take action. Now that we created your lead magnet, it's time to go to step 2 and build your lead magnet funnel. Now, in very simplest terms, a funnel is a process or steps that a potential customer follows that will lead to a specific conversion. Let's talk about the parts of a lead magnet funnel to help you understand it a little bit better and how it works. The first step is the landing page. The landing page is where your visitor enters their name and email address to sign up for your lead magnet. Next, they are taken to a thank you page. From there, they are sent the confirmation or delivery email by your email service provider. Now, if you have double opt-in enabled on your email service provider, a confirmation email will go out and your new subscriber will need to confirm their email address in order for you to continue to send them emails. Now, there are some email service providers like ConvertKit that you can actually deliver your lead magnet in the confirmation email. But if your email service provider doesn't have that capability, you'll need to send out a separate email that delivers your lead magnet. And then finally, you will send an email welcome sequence. A typical welcome sequence is between 2 and 5 emails. Now, a welcome sequence is optional. Not everyone sends out a welcome sequence, so it's really up to you to decide whether you're going to do that or not. Now that you have the pieces to start collecting your email addresses, it's time for step 3, where we're going to start promoting your lead magnet so you can start building your email list. Now, I have a few ideas on how to promote your lead magnet. The first is social media. You can include a link in your bio, you can create content related to your lead magnet, and you can also do ads if you have the money for that. Next is your website. Now, if you have a website, you can put information about your lead magnet on your homepage, your about page, and even at the end of blog posts if you have a blog. Additionally, you can promote your lead magnet by being a guest on a podcast or on your own podcast if you have one. You can also do guest posting, and you can even write articles. Now let's do a review of everything we covered. In step 1, you create your lead magnet. Now, I shared with you my 5-step framework to help you make the key decisions in order to create your lead magnet. In step 2, we went over all the parts of a lead magnet funnel. And in step 3, I gave you a few ways to promote your lead magnet. Before you go, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got value from it and that you now have a better understanding of what you need to do to start your email list. Now, if you need a little bit more help creating your lead magnet or the lead magnet funnel, I have training that can help, and you can find the information below this video. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Talk to you soon.